Want to earn extra income online? Join an affiliate program today. Affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy where companies and individuals promote other people's products or services through an agreement that the person will later receive a commission on the product or service they promote. Affiliate marketing is a business model in which sales representatives called affiliates sell products or services to other people through a referral system. This means that the affiliate has nothing to do with the product or service, but gets paid for every sale made by someone who clicks on one of their links. Affiliate marketing is an effective way for people to make money online by promoting products that they believe in. It's also a great way to build relationships with other bloggers and businesses. Earn money. If you're looking to make some extra cash online, then affiliate marketing might be right up your alley. It's one of the easiest ways to do so because there are no upfront costs involved. All you need to start earning money is an internet connection and a computer. Choose an affiliate network. There are several different ways to start affiliate marketing. You can join an existing affiliate network, such as Commission Junction, CJ, ShareASale, Linkshare, etc. Or you can start your own affiliate network. If you choose to start your own affiliate network, you will need to find a product or service that you think would interest your readers and then promote it through your website or blog. Find products to promote. Once you decide what type of product you want to sell, you will need to research the market and find out who is buying that particular product. This is called product discovery. You should also determine how much money you want to make per sale. Create a website or blog. If you want to start an affiliate business, you first need to set up a website or blog where people can visit and learn more about your products. Then, you will need to promote those products through social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, LinkedIn, and others. Promote your site. You can also use paid advertising platforms like AdWords, Bing Ads, and Facebook advertising to reach new customers. These platforms allow you to bid on certain keywords so that when someone searches for those terms, your ads appear at the top of search results.
For more information, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, share and like our channel.